In today's video, we will be discussing a common issue faced by WhatsApp users: WhatsApp images not appearing in the gallery. For Android users, check WhatsApp Media Visibility settings. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and then go to Chats. Enable the Media Visibility option. For iOS users, enable Auto Download feature. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings by tapping on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Select Chats and turn on the Save to Camera Roll option. If it's still not working, try restarting your Android or iPhone device after performing the previous steps. If you ever need to transfer WhatsApp photos, videos, or other data between your devices, get assistance from AirDroid Personal. This tool offers a friendly procedure to wirelessly and losslessly transfer files between iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. To use AirDroid, please make sure you have downloaded and installed the AirDroid Personal on your Android or iOS devices. Launch the AirDroid Personal app, sign in the same account on both devices. Click on the Transfer button. Select the target device and then choose and send the file you want to share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.